Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. So I already took a shower, washed my face, then I did my hair. So now I'm going to go in with my clarifying toner and remove any hair product that went on my face. To moisturize my face, I'm going to use my Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream. And for my under eyes, I'm using my Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Eye Cream. For my primer, I'm going to go in with my favorite, which is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I also started to use the Milk Mattifying Primer, but I only use that on my nose because my nose always the shiniest when it comes onto my face. For me, I cannot do my brows unless I set it. So I go in with a powder after I apply my moisturizer and my primer. So when I use my pencil, it has a better grip. If you don't set it, your pencil will just be sliding on your face. I use NYX brow pencil and I use two shades. I use Espresso when I start my brow. I use it at the tail and also in the middle to fill in my brows. And then in the beginning of my brows, I use the color Chocolate. So chocolate is lighter than espresso, so it gives you that ambered look. As I look back on this video, like my face looks so upset. Why do I look so miserable? But honestly, I am not. This is just me focusing on what I am doing. This is me concentrating on what I am doing, especially when I'm running late. Like, I still don't want to mess my makeup up. I still want it to look good. So I'm making sure that I'm being as detailed as I can. And that's why I have my focus face on. So for underneath my brows, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I was telling someone the other day that when we're applying our products in stages, we give our products time to set. If you're going to apply a moisturizer, apply it and give it some time to set. If you're going to apply your primer, you apply it and you give your time to set. Do not apply them and then go straight ahead with another product. Give them time to set. Now I'm going in with my Milk Mattifying Primer on top of my nose. The reason why I don't do that at the same time when I'm applying the Hydro Grip Primer is because the Mattifying Primer changes to white. So I don't like when it completely changes to white. So I do it last before it turns white. For my concealers, I went in first with my Deep Chestnut and I'm blending this out with my Real Technique brightening concealer brush, and I really love this brush. It says it gives a satin finish, and it does. It gives you a natural finish as you're blending it out. I used to use the Deluxe Crease brush from Real Technique, but that gave it a more full coverage, but this one like shears out your concealer and makes it look definitely more natural. So because Deep Chestnut has a more my skin tone or almost my skin tone, then I go over it with the Deep Olive, so that gives me a more brighter highlighted look. I need you to remember that makeup is all about blending. That's the perfection of makeup. That's the ending look of makeup, is just getting your thing well blended. Now, after I'm finished blending out all my concealer, then I'm going to go ahead with my setting brush and I'm going to apply my Huda powder in the shade Kunafa and just set all my concealer. Even though I didn't use any concealer on my forehead, I'm still going to set my forehead with my powder. And today I'm not using any foundation. I haven't been using any liquid foundation for a while now. All I've been using is my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, and I have mine in the shade NC46. Now I've been doing my no makeup look, and I love how my makeup turns out. You see that little dark mark on my jaw line? I don't need to cover it up because this is not a full coverage look. This is just a, oh, I am on a rush and I need to do my makeup. I still want to look cute, but not make it that obvious that I am rocking makeup. Now my contour is in the dark deep, and I'm using the middle shade. Now for my face, as you guys notice, I have a straight or elongated face and I have a long chin. So whenever I place my contour, I don't really contour, I mostly like bronze up my face. So when I'm placing my bronzer, have you ever closed your mouth and clenched your teeth together? If you use your finger and you push it into your jaw or into your cheek, you would feel a little indentation. Now that's where you stop your bronzer. To me, that's where you stop your contour or your bronzer. You don't take it all the way down. Now the fact that I have a straight elongated face, if I take that down too far, then my face is just going to look straighter, and that's not what I want. But we all do our contour or our bronzing based off the shape of our face. This pencil that I'm using underneath my eyes from Essence. Now I saw a makeup artist on YouTube. She raves about this pencil and I decided to try it out. This is so smooth. It glides so easy underneath the eyes. It does not irritate you and the color is popping. I really wanted to put on some falsies because you know falsies give you that nice little pop, but I was going against time as always, so I didn't have time to apply lashes. A lot of people can apply their lashes on top. I cannot. I can only apply my lashes from underneath, so that takes more time to apply. So I just like coat my lashes. I have long lashes, but some of them curl all the way around, so it still make my lashes look super short even though they're long. So I have to go in like with 3 coats of mascara, and I'm using the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. And then one of my eyelashes, like, it just has this natural gap to it, so no matter how I try to fill it in or separate the lashes, it doesn't work. I want to try the individual lashes so that lasts like for a couple of days and I don't have to like put on a strip, take off the strip, put on the strip, take off the strip. For my lips, I'm using the same pencil from Essence, and also I'm going to use my 2 Maybelline lippies. One is Punchy and one is Pearl. So for my blush, because I've really been getting into blush now, I'm using volume 6 from Juvias Place, and blush has become a beaut to me, a real beaut to me. And I'm going to set my face afterwards with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray, and then that would be my no makeup look, my everyday, or makeup that you can wear every day without your face not looking overly done. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you learned also from this video, and I hope you subscribe in order to see more videos like this one. Thank you again for all your support. Love you. Bye.